How to play ESPN Fantasy Football. Hello sports fans, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to play ESPN Fantasy Football using the ESPN Fantasy Football app. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this tutorial will definitely guide you through the basics. So let's get started. First things first, you need to download the ESPN Fantasy Football app. It's available on both the Play Store for Android users and the Apple Store for iPhone users. And once you have it installed, open the app to get started. Before we dive into the app, let me explain what fantasy football is. It allows you to manage a virtual team made up of real NFL players. These players score points based on their actual performance in real-life games. Your team's points are then matched against other teams in your league, and you compete to see who comes out on the top. Once you are in the app, you'll notice a range of options and features. Games, or create or join a league. For games, you can manage fantasy leagues for various sports like basketball, hockey, and more. And for creating a league or joining one, this is where you set up your fantasy football experience. Let's start by creating a new league. Tap on the Create League button. The first thing you'll do is give your league a name. For this tutorial, let's just call it My Awesome League, for example. Next, choose your league size. You can select anywhere from 4 to 18 teams. We'll go with a 10-team league for now. Now, decide on the scoring type. ESPN Standard. This popular option gives extra points for catches by receivers. And with no PPR, there are no extra points for catches. We'll stick with the ESPN Standard PPR. Once you've made your choice, tap on Create League. After creating your league, you'll need to invite others to join in, so you can copy the invite link and send it via text or email, or you can share it directly through other apps. Once the link is sent, your friends can join and your league will start to fill up. Next, you'll need to schedule your draft, which is when you and other managers will select players for your teams. There are 4 draft types. The snake draft. The pick order reverses each round. The salary cap. You can make offers to sign players. The auto pick. This system picks players for you. And the offline draft. You can conduct your draft outside the app. Select a date and time for your draft and you're ready to go. Once your league is set up, head over to the My Team section to start managing your roster. Here, you can view your roster, check your upcoming matchups, and explore player stats and news. Tap Interested In to shortlist players you'd like to draft. In the league section, you'll find tools to manage everything about your league, such as the scoreboard to track how your team is performing, the standings to see where your rank against other teams is, the settings so you can adjust league's details, invite more managers, or delete the league if needed. If you'd rather join an existing league, tap on Join Public League. You'll be asked a few questions to determine the best league for you. On the experience level, choose between pro or beginner leagues. On the scoring type, again, decide between ESPN Standard PPR or no PPR. And for the draft type, choose between snake or salary cap. Once you've made your selections, tap Join League to start playing. If you're new to fantasy football or want to test strategies, try a mock draft. Tap on an available mock draft, select a draft slot, and practice drafting players. This won't affect your real league, so it's a great way to experiment with things. Finally, don't forget to explore the settings menu. Here, you can update your account info, change display themes, and adjust alert preferences. If you need help, there is also a help tab available. And that's how you play ESPN Fantasy Football. I hope this tutorial helps you get started. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks.